question 15 is, for a particular visitor to Gwynedd, you have to forgive my pronunciation of these words, taking a trip to Snowdon is independent of visiting Caernarvon Castle. The probability that the visitor takes a trip up to Snowdon and visits Caernarvon Castle is 0.12. Okay, then it says complete the following tree diagram. Now, the key here is the bold word. Okay, a trip to Snowdon and visiting Caernarvon Castle is 0.12. So if we look here, okay, we know that taking a trip to Snowdon is 0.4, and earlier on in my videos I mentioned that and means multiplied by. Okay, so a trip to Snowdon is 0.4, and means times a trip to Caernarvon Castle, which we don't know the probability of, is 0.12. So to work out a visit in Caernarvon Castle is 0.4 times something is 0.12, which is 0.3. Okay, so when it comes to filling this tree diagram, we know that this is 0.3. And when it comes to filling the rest of it, if yes, going to Snowdon is 0.4, not going to Snowdon is 0.6. And if going to Caernarvon Castle is 0.3, not going to Caernarvon Castle is 0.7. Okay, so that probability tree diagram is completed, and that's 4 marks. Now, what might be helpful when it comes to the next step, okay, is to work out all the probabilities. Okay, so to go up Snowdon and Caernarvon Castle is 0.12 because you multiply them together. To go to Snowdon and not Caernarvon Castle, you multiply them together to get 0.28, and so on and so forth. Now the question reads, calculate the probability that the visitor does not go up Snowdon and does not visit Caernarvon Castle. So does not visit Snowdon is 0.6, and because the key word here is and does not visit Caernarvon Castle, and means multiply. Okay, so multiply. Does not go up Caernarvon Castle, does not visit Caernarvon Castle is 0.7. So 0.6 times 0.7 is 0. And then put the 2 decimal places in. 6 times 7 is 42, so 0.42.